Hi guys on YouTube, this is my hotpoint Aquarius VTD sensor dryer. I'm gonna show you it now. Active drying program there. You got auto dry, not auto dry. Not auto dry there. And you got your 10 easy iron program. That's the 10 minutes, few minutes of cooling down. I put on time on the cool down stage. There. That's high heat, low heat button. And that's alarm off and I'm on button. That is your time delay here. That is when the buzzer. That's when you turn the control knob to the time delay dial to up to 12 hours. Then it goes, when it goes to 1 hour, goes to 1 hour. Then it'll just click. Then the machine will start turning once the door is firmly shut. But again, nice to have my old childhood memory back. Like a friend of my auntie's had the more basic version, which was vtd20. This is not bad at all. Here's you stop with your 6 kilogram drum. 6 kilogram drum. 6 kilogram drum here. It's got a pretty strong size drum in there. You can also use it for the 8 kilogram capacity drum models and the TVM 570 is the same drum. I think that starter paddle must have came out in either 2011 or 2012, something around like that. This colour isn't half as bad as I thought. I was expecting a brown and almond version of this. Just kidding. Just kidding. Here's your program. That's your 6 kg there. Cons high heat, synthetic high heat, acrylic low heat. That's your times there. I'll turn the control knob. These are very hard to turn. I won't be using the time delay at all. I won't not be using the alarm at all. So it's a G for graphite. Come on, right now running in the background. The drum, there's nothing wrong with the belt. There's nothing wrong with the bearings. This will need the phone cleaning the weekend. I'm gonna do the amount of cleaning that. But again, I'm enjoying this. This is a hotpoint 925 there. It's still going. I've never had a product like this. I recommend these to anyone. Atomic filter. There's no wear in the filter. There's no wear on it. Pop, that filter came out in 2004. Because 2 or 3 at the time. But again, that's my overview of my hotpoint vtd20 Aquarius sensor dryer. Don't forget, easy iron, cons synthetics 123 kg, cons 36 kg with the full up to 6 kg load. And leave it a high heat. I'm gonna do more overview. Important. Always rotate the time in the clockwise direction. The sound saying drying times. Never rotate the timer anti-clockwise. Down your start button there. Thanks for watching. Bye. There'll be a video of this coming to my channel very soon at the weekend. I'll film the auto dry, the time setting. I won't use the alarm because I don't like alarms at all. Thanks for watching. Bye. I can do a little bit fully. Great dryer. Thanks for watching. Bye. I recommend this to anyone who has a project to modify it and keep it It's a shame. One of my subscribers had this before his TVF 770. Thanks for watching. Bye.